Alright, hi, let's get started. We got a problem. What is present value as PV, future value as FV, interest rate, interest rate and time by using function PV, FV, or PMT in Excel. First problem is Apple budget from selling iPhone is $529 million. They have two choices to make more money. Economists calculate for buy share from Samsung, and it will return with $620 million in next 2 years. Or Apple invest with new iPod Classic research. After sell new iPod Classic 2 years, it will give 26% per year and calculate interest every 6 months. What is the best repayment that Apple supposed to buy share from Samsung or sell new iPod Classics? And this table tell about two cases. And first case is buy share from Samsung. Start at $529 million. No interest. Time is 2 years. Calculate interest every 0 months. Income is $620 million. But second case, sell new iPod Classic case is start at $529 million too as first case, but this case have interest, and interest is 26%, but we just put 0.26, we will get 26%. Time 2 years as first case, and calculate interest every 6 months. We will calculate income by FV function equal FV and open bracket rate is 26%, multiply by 6 months. 6 months, and divided by 12 months. Next, N per is time as 2 years, multiply by 12, divide by 6 months. PMT is money that pay every month, but this problem don't have, so PMT at 0. Next, PV is present value. Just put start at $529 million and close bracket. So we got minus value. We can fix by put minus over present value, and we will get $862 million and 570,000 and 539.69. The best choice is absolutely second case, sell new iPod Classics. And the difference between two choice is minus enter. The difference between two choice is 242 million and 520,000 and 539.69. Next, problem B. Samsung have to buy factory for expand company $97 million. Pay by installment for 6 years. Interest is 11%. Samsung have budget from selling Galaxy Note to pay by installment $9 million per month. In 6 years, can Samsung pay by installment by their Galaxy Note budget? How much money for remain or lack of money for Samsung? And first, factory price is $97 million and interest is 0.11. We will get 11% time and time is 6 years, and then payment per month we use function PMT just equal PMT to find payment per month. Bracket open, rate is 11%, divide 12 and n per is time 6 years, multiply 12 and then present value is factory price and future value is 0. Close bracket and enter. So we will get the same as last problem. We get minus value can fix by put minus over factory price. We will get payment per month. And from the problem said, budget from selling Galaxy Note is $9 million. And the difference between factory cost minus selling Galaxy Note budget is minus payment per month. And we got $7 million and 153,694.34. Can Samsung buy factory? Yes. Thank you.